And they're so sad. My man in Ayako, I have met the whole parliament, once. Zenator. And then the sister no back once. Okay, Zenator, the Mahun Menena Shabe 3 times be. Back on the Menena Shabe 1. My man, the more can them, who more people see more and news should be moon. But they've managed to keep themselves. We don't hear from them. We don't hear of them. We don't know.
I don't know.
And I'm all running factory. I'm all running my businesses now. Are they working private or public?
I think I have to fact check that and let you know. Amina is a lawyer.
Practicing. Chambers,
but I will fact check and let you know.
Omarie there anyway, and then Kwalani Nana, Papa penny no mammy penny so to me control. We kind and make kind. I'm the Guinea president. Not Guinea. Baby, I'm too oil baby. Yeah, Guinea. Gabon. Yeah. Gabon president. They were this was the Bayer finance minister. As I'm considering about call France nas cash a good fee inquire over $20 million. No Muntia says then
make a story. Yeah.
Then who yes can quantia no but almost you don't hear of them, you don't see them. Some there or I outside and as Hayane crowd. But I hope say one day they also back on take politics here. Unfortunately, NDC for now because I won't check him. I
won't check him.
Say I say we see the minimum the obey no.
Zenator no.
Yes.
NDC for check no.
At the parliament, we at least fund about. Watch a post 1, watch a post 2. Moon Fred classes kaji we craft fashion. They will not command one Ghana friends NIA board. Your tea could the man kasana. Nimba. You magunsen. Yeah. Then I could do any Rawlings. Then can mapa muntiasi. No, at least backward to me, I bought modern riser, but do parliamentar. I'm with check post a month to me on a papa no and a mamma no back cry one slots. You are more much holding came through her. There's not a single leader in the NDC. And then they say, no, I know because Victor Smith said, Kagopacho.
Aye.
The only year when you know. And more, because most of them were from nowhere. Including their friend and crime. I said, look at you. Including their friend, so crime open. There was another like I also said, quite no, the bank at Juma or no. Never found a bank and then no general secretary, no a chairman boo. No much poster. Found a bar. Be your papa said that. Senye, as you were in my yard. Men say me, Bonia. What the Bonia say?
Paper told me to you,
and worrying, sad. Sad. People will help, you know. We look at and say, hey, Ntidachi, will they remember us? And how will they remember us? What will they remember us with? They are normally crying. It's so sad. They fund the part. Most including you, the president, John Dramani Mahama. Including you, the president, John Dramani.
Because based on my search here, Senator Rawlings did not hold any government appointments during the Tamils Mahama NDC administration.
Never.
From 2012 to 2016.
Yeah. And this time to Omarie and zero. At least for nothing at all.
Under Tamil, she wasn't an MP.
Yeah, but at least.
No, me Patrick said no. MP no dear.
She entered politics by filing her nomination papers on 11th of September 2015 to contest for the Kwale parliamentary. Yes, and then she won the primaries.
Yes, I look disqualified.
She won
court
primaries. Yeah, she won that primaries in November 2015 and won the seat in 2016 January till today. Yeah. Okay.
The time on my politics, me kwa na nka mo say the time ne fund na papa ti ase o.
All right. So between 2012 and 2016, she was working as a medical doctor in general practice.
It's been a medical
Yeah,
doctor.
not a medical doctor in general practice.
The medical doctor ne onya post I think enye. Ni papa be the president no 30 39 years 36. Run with the by no 36. 32 or 36. He was that young. And you are telling him every Ghanaian said that time no even though she might be so they are in 45 now 46.
Why?
Senator.
Okay. What do you call so?
And to that time no nka untimi mfa untimi mfa emma Zenator post back krase. And let's move by so back kra mo command bi am say baby am the doctor ansan your friends no. Then they took akaka no almost say on your doctor almost say you free hold.
Oba bi na.
Sansani. Doctor Sansani was baby sir.
Me Oba tia kama o she bia as a on your ketechi kra nya bi fa na so
am. Suppose no am you free am Zenator kwasha ho. Say when you funded when timi an share nana kura and munyam kakra nsa na odi free mu. Me hwe omo abesu. Me hwe ni so osale so na say friend no in for example. Yesu ayenim say nye ni so papa bia no. Enkram edemani so. Crocodile tears.
Crocodile tears. And the NDC for share crocodile tears.
Me hwe omo abesu sa share tears ni bi. Sa tears no.
Eso my issue state.
I'm anything can as a party.
So to let our listeners know the correct age for the correct age for the correct age at which your man paying when you're the baby called President Rawlings be there and there no. Rawlings was born on the 22nd of June 1947 and first became head of state June 4th 1979. So 31 years old. 31 years, turning 32 later that month. And Obedi, good.
None about the 30 years went to me a man. Papa to me the president at 32, 31. None about the 30 years. Also, who's the youngest parliamentarian now?
I don't have that. I don't have that data.
The same
Agbana.
Edem, yes, I think so.
How old is he?
I don't know.
Find out the youngest parliamentarian. The whole constituency him Abewini and also way we do nearly 30 years. Want me a money post Tatamil's time, Mahama time, no. And even this time, want me money post, want me and just put her somewhere. That she also have opportunity to travel and see and let people know that Rawlings Bani as a political party.
SOMPA FM.
Rawlings Bano Onye.
All right, so based on the search, the youngest parliamentarian in Ghana's current 9th parliament is Ewurabena Obin. Yeah, MP for Ablekumanov.
Okay.
Yeah, Ewurabena Obin. Yeah.
Loko Chichiba means idea.
Only a free Oh, that's okay.
Hey, Usasa.
Usa.
The last time they in Cancer Board Dubai, I friend say Mavis.
But historically, no. The Francisca Otin holds the record as the youngest.
Yes.
Not only 21.
Yeah. 23. Sure, in 2016.
Minister, deputy minister.
Sure.
Into not to me 23 to me MP.
Deputy minister.
Deputy minister. Nasa Moses Zenator, I'm what in what do you mean minister? Outside PhD holder, doctor.
There be a medical doctor. I don't think she holds a PhD.
The medical doctor
no, please. There be. I don't know whether the doctor because we're a medical doctor or a medical doctor. I don't know whether she holds a PhD.
We are from.
I think Omarie at you.
Intimidate me, dear. Would the papa and mamma tell na one person who's more on the banner? They say in the ban a papa the mamma call. Mahama, Beslow, a ministry be that or Emmy, a go, a front example. Defense, a
Lance and no.
Lance.
environment.
There's a medical doctor crowd to be here environment. So the defense now, the papa defense, the papa soldier ni, on to me defense minister. The papa soldier ni, a soldier for you now failing the papa. So on to me as a bass, you moon to me on none with defend. I don't find question environment to an uncle a galam safe one. So why? Na yeah. And can the point house, but I don't know why I belong to that political party. We need to know what can be said there. And I hear says she's also very strict. To send papa to send my no.
Yeah.
Don't say and I also corruption or said damn pet. They almost say I have one question baby. I'm up a deal be on yet.
Oh, what dream no?
Oh, yeah. I said Crawford deal. Connection my phone go and go. You don't go home. Came up at there. Wait to me, I did connection. I bobo na I
SOMPA
I
FM.
don't see they are near fine, but at least, Mr. Mahama, there are 2 vacant positions now. There are 2 vacant positions now. Ministers know who are plane crash, you know, almost positions to go. Who know Bia, in fact, be Bia or not even at the death of Nipapa Mami, you know, your founder, the founder of your political party, at least consider her for one of these positions. Le papa is a soldier, well known, very powerful soldier, and I believe she grew up in a military home.
And talking about consolidation of democracy in Ghana, the father played a key role.
Yes, and this and of fear or not, soldier for Tigana hanging and current soldier need be a what rank all the ranks, you know, worked under my Rawlings.
Hey. Omarie Mami Evans.
And the basis I was saying, your man defense, obey me a bought defense in the year. Obey me a bought defense. Now work medical the medical school and young at least we're being so Nimkro obey me a king.
Just like the late Dr. Omane Boamwa.
Yeah, almost feels, yeah, I was a medical doctor. Almost also soldier phone call and go all the time.
Yeah. But Omarie Wadie.
And to bet me,
Omarie Wadie.
Yes.
And when I'm searching through the internet, reading stories, I mean, whose story? I was just shocked.
Yeah.
Hey, Omarie, to make us out.
Then I'm kind.
I'll come back to you.
That baby possibility.
Oh, are they? We are Marshall.
Manager who said, Minim can't come in. So I put the said doors, then be Brio Maka.
Omarie Wadie say, 1 year. Eye galam say no. Omunko do wiefu. But that is the story out there.
Me say me nkaso munya me ni powers be catch up omunko do wiefu. What I said was
yes.
Akufuado tab ye pass mrabi. Na legalize a marijuana commercial cultivation.
Sure.
But and now obi the courts. I'm so about the assembly. Sa galamsey side to Akufu Bahamas so say or Pamon Fia and Kuala Nya Jumanyeno. Ghanans belu sika no. Sa marijuana and sika omuche gold no. Enti instead some beko to assassin no. Omo legalize momo. Na amonka say boys munya form no too. Na munya your friends say we no. Near T-board.
No, say boys munya den.
Munya galamsey no too.
No munya den.
Na monko cultivate marijuana ya take marijuana board. To say the artic gold body, mo dua pa mo the assembly hall board the better at least 1 acre. It mean the $5 but see amount license to do 1 acre. We know we're expecting $5. A balance is one that's one. And I tell you, sa galamsey boys in a bit jai sa for me. Chocolate muku but okodo sa aduma we ya.
Okodo we na. Na yeti we board.
Me say enakra illegal no. Boys bo pa. Boys eko bia. Amun na mo bia nya sika pa. Ko Muhammad Ali udim. Na be first Tyson. Tyson.
Mike Tyson.
Also jai board. Uso nka oye and ojai boxing no or started cultivation. Or since we no man sika crash boxing no. He doesn't know why he started fighting. Cause started in
the cannabis cultivation.
Hey. Ghana yetika every month you had about 10 containers. How many dollars?